Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've already added a card, so begin the payment now. Wake your iPhone or double-click the side button on your Apple Watch. Choose the card you want to use by swiping through Wallet. You do this because the terminal charges the selected tokenized card. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is ready. Authentication is required for amounts above certain limits. Once you've authenticated, hold the device close to the contactless reader. Don't tap or remove it too quickly. Once you select a card, authenticate immediately. Face ID is fast, but use your passcode if needed. You're doing this to release the secure token for the merchant. Without authentication, the reader won't accept high-value transactions. Hold your iPhone or the top of your Apple Watch near the terminal, about 1 to 2 centimeters, and keep it steady. The reader and device communicate via NFC. If you move away too soon, the transaction can time out. Wait for the subtle vibration or chime. After holding steady, watch for a green tick, hear the chime, or see done, that's your confirmation. You should then collect your receipt and, if needed, add a tip on the terminal. The merchant completes the sale and you can review the charge in Wallet later. If payment fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart your device, then reopen Wallet and reselect the card. This clears temporary NFC or software glitches. If issues persist, remove and re-add the card, or ask the cashier to try the terminal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.